Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. I'm senior software engineer currently working at one of the product-based company, but previously I worked at TCS for around 2 years, and I cracked TCS with this TCS Code Vita contest. So I think I can guide you all the fresher, all the guys like how to crack the TCS interview, and you can get job at TCS. So let's get started without wasting any time. So basically, there will be three round of interview at TCS for fresher, and generally all the three interviewers will be sitting in the same cabin, and technically it will be only one round, but with three interviewers. So for technical round, I'll tell you like what are the things you should be prepared with, and believe me, if you prepare these things, you will get job 100% like with TCS. Generally, TCS do not ask tough questions to fresher. Here I have listed down all the things which you need to prepare. Learn at least one object-oriented programming language, be it Java or C++ or any. But I prefer Java or C++. Better you learn it, because if you learn some fancy programming language that interviewer doesn't know, then it will be of no use. So I suggest like learn some common programming language that is Java or C++ maybe. So and learn the object-oriented programming concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. So these are the very basic concepts, and they will not ask you in very deep. Like they'll just ask the basic like meaning of like what is the abstraction, and just give the example and those things. Second thing, learn Git. Git is a version control. Git is a version control system. Like you can just search about it on the internet, and you can learn it very easily. With this Git, you can just manage your code, kind of, and collaborate with other developers. So that is must required to step into any like to step into this programming world, or maybe this any software engineering company. If you landed into, you must know Git. Then learn at least one SQL database, that is MySQL or PostgreSQL, or any like. So learn at least one SQL database basics, learn some basics query, and queries like find second highest salary, and second maximum marks and those things. So that is also a much required thing. And then data structure, they do not ask like a hash map and those things. They rarely ask those questions to fresher. So better learn array, like sorting the array and searching in the array and with the different methods. Those things. These are the very basic things. Like as a fresher, you need not know all the fancy stuff like this tree and those things. So that is not required at all. Then it's good if you have some basics idea of CI, CD, Jenkins, and those things. So just if you are aware about this terminology, then it will be better. Like so, just try to learn those terminologies, like what is continuous integration, what is continuous development, deployment, and this Jenkins. So Jenkins and other tools which are being used for the CI/CD, that you can just explore on the internet. But just learn the basic concepts, whatever I have mentioned here. So you need not know a kind of all the things to crack the TCS interview around. So just I have mentioned the list. You can just go by one with this point, and then you can learn these things. That's it. So for technical round, yeah, I think this is enough for fresher. Now come to managerial round. So generally for fresher, they will ask what you have done as a final year project. So maybe you have developed some chatbot application with Python, or maybe you have developed some website, or maybe some Android application, whatever. Just like showcase what was your contribution in this project. Maybe you were the team lead in the project in the final year project, or maybe what was your contribution that you have to explain to them, and you have to convince them like you understand each and every concept of this project. Like it is not just copy pasted from the internet. Then they can ask you like what is your expectation with TCS. So do not say like I want to get job at product based company, that's why, but currently I'm not getting any opportunity, that's why I'm interviewing here. So just be honest, and like just tell them like I'm expecting to work on this technology, and I'm just uh, too excited to start my software engineering career and those things. And then they might ask like, what is your short term goal, like what you want to become. Just tell them like you want to become better software engineer and just want to step into this world as soon as possible. So this kind of answer you can give for these questions. But generally in manager round they will ask only this kind of questions, not more than that for fresher. And now come to HR round. So at around communication skill is important, not that much, but like at least for fresher they will expect you not to kind of have any kind of fear. You have to speak with confidence, and I think English they will prefer. So it's you have to learn it like. And then the common question HR generally ask in the TCS interview is what is your preferred location. So let's say you are based out of Delhi or you are based out of Mumbai, and if you say my preferred location is Mumbai, and then HR will surely ask like what if we'll give job in Chennai or some other location. Do not say like no, I'm not comfortable with that location. If you say that you are not comfortable with any other location, then doesn't matter how good was your technical round or managerial round, they will surely reject you. Like there are high chances, 99% they'll reject you. So just tell them, yeah, I'm comfortable with any location if you want to get the offer. So if you tell them that yeah, you are not comfortable with this location and that location, then definitely you will get rejected. So just keep this thing in mind. Like yeah, you have to say that yeah, I'm comfortable with any location, any shift, and those things. So do not argue with HR that you are comfortable with only this particular location, especially if you are fresher. Like yeah, that's it, guys. If you have any question, just feel free to comment down. I will be more than happy to answer you. Thank you.